everyone, I'm Cheryl and I'm one of the members of the Santo Niño group, Rothenburg, Stuttgart. We are here currently at Rothenburg Festhalle, and we are so thankful for coming here today, celebrating the small Santo Niño. And we have hundreds of people here around from near and far, and I'm so thankful for coming here, and I hope you will join us next year, also same place. It will be on January 10, 2026. So I hope to see you there. Ingat!
Sinulog, tara-tara nang magsaulo. Shagit-shagit tuguso, brit-brit-brit sinyo. Sinulog, tara-tara nang magsaulo. Shagit-shagit tuguso, brit-brit sinyo.